Hi, I'm Flying Officer Amy Cockayne, Provost Officer currently on the Elite Athlete Scheme where I play rugby for both Harlequins and England. With the Air Force team we are current reigning in-service champions, finally beating the Army after 26 years. With Harlequins this year we were the Allianz Premier 15s champions, first time beating Saracens. With England I've won numerous Grand Slams and fortunately came second at the World Cup in 2017. Physical fitness is hugely important for rugby. You have many different aspects. You need to be strong, you need to be powerful, you need to be fast. Maybe not all positions need to be all of those, but you know, general overall fitness as well to be able to last the 80 minutes. Physical fitness is hugely important for my role. Being Provost Officer, I have to be robust and adaptable, ready to be deployed anywhere around the world, and it's important to help keep a balanced, healthy lifestyle. Typical training week for myself would include 3 gym sessions, so working on strength and power that's needed for my position, especially as a hooker. Have 3 skill sessions working on the finer details, and then 2 team sessions where we bring it all together, and then off-feet conditioning just to keep the general aerobic fitness up as well. Future aspirations within the sport are to go back-to-back with both the Air Force and Harlequins, and then with England I want to head over to New Zealand and go one better this time and beat them in their own backyard. My top tips for return to training after lockdown would be you won't be in the same place you were before lockdown. You know, gyms were shut for a long time, so set some achievable goals, work out where you are and take it easy. You've got to have fun while you're doing it, otherwise you won't stick to it. So take it easy, find something you enjoy doing and just get some consistency with doing that.